Hello everyone, welcome to Dhyanit Organic Farms, parenting farm of Purvatan. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we'll try to figure out that exactly how many liters of milk do we need to make 1 liter of indigenous desi cow ghee. There are different figures available on internet. Some farmers say they need 20 liters, some say 30, and some even say more than that. But exactly what's the figures that came at our farm, we'll be checking it out today. So friends, our first step to make desi cow ghee is to collect A2 milk. So we obtain all our A2 organic milk from our own farm cows. We daily feed them organic grass, and we use Dohan Paddhati to obtain milk. In Dohan Paddhati, we just give first share of milk to the cows, and the remaining milk we use for our own consumption. And in this way, we take our milk, and then it's all taken to processing it. I will show you that after by step. Now we are here in a small processing unit, and we have taken 25 kg of cow milk separately from today's production to see that how much of ghee can we obtain from this much of milk. Now it will be set on cowden slow fire. Our fire is almost ready. Then it will be on slow boiling for a whole day. Before that, I will be showing you the weight of these pots. That exactly you can get that again. It is 25 kg of milk. So I have three pots. Like this is an empty one. Uh, its weight is 3.930. It's close to 4 kg almost. And then these are our pots with the milk. So you can see in this one we have about 16.625, so almost 14 and a half kg of milk we have in this one. And similarly we have some of milk in this one. So we have about almost 13 kg, like 12.910 kg milk in this one. So now we're putting both of these on our fire. So now it will be left here for whole day. Then at evening we will be again seeing that how it's going. So see you soon. So friends, now it's 6 in the evening. It's been about 6 to 8 hours that we left our milk on the cowden fire. Because of long heat and on slow heating, its color has been changed to red. A reddish aroma you can see in this one. I would like to show you in this that how its color has changed. And now I'll be shifting this milk into this earthen pot. Actually, we have previously used this pot to set a curd into it. Now I'll be shifting this milk into this one. So friends, now I'll be shifting milk from these pots to this one. Actually, these pots are really hot, so I'm using this, taking help of these bakery gloves. So now we'll be leaving this milk to keep at room temperature until it comes a bit cool, because right now it's very high temperature, so it's not at stage to that curd should be set into this one. So we will just wait for 1 or 1.5 hours. Then later on we'll be adding a curd into it, because at farm we don't use any like acids, chemicals for making curd. We always use 1 day back remained curd. and we set curd with that one. So I'm just showing that one after 1.5 hours. So friends, now our milk is ready. Now neither it's too hot, neither it's too cold. It's perfect and ready to good set our curd. So I'm just have a last remaining curd and a little bit of buttermilk in it. I will be putting this one to the milk that we have. So this is the milk that we made today morning, and that's our another milk, the extra milk that we have remain after 25 kg. We have 25 kg in this one, and that's another one that we have. Now we'll mix it properly, and we will be covering it perfectly. So it will be a good card. I'll be showing you too tomorrow morning. So friend, now it's next day morning. Our pots are totally covered with the blankets from last night, and hopefully our card is set and it's done. So this is the 25 kg one that in which we have put the milk from last day. You can see the texture of curd. So now we will be doing Bologna of this curd with this sagwan wood churner. Actually, it's very uh, beneficial to churn our curd with the Bologna method in a slow process. With this one especially, because even though the quality that the sagwan has, it came to our makhan, and that again increases its nutritional value. So now we will just doing the Bologna of it, and I will show you step by step. So friends, now finally our makhan is here. Our churning is almost complete. We just added a little bit ice in it, so just it become more sticky and came out easily. And now just we will be taking it out in the southern pot and we'll be making ghee of it. So before that, I just want to show you the zero weight of this one. The southern pot, uh, its actual weight is 1.690. If you make it now, it will make it 0. So now we're just having the weight that we're putting our makhan in it. Actually, my Rani auntie ji, she's very experienced in doing this daily practice. So she will be helping us in taking out the makhan. So friends, as you can see that from that much of milk, we just get this much of makhan. Now we just weighing it that exactly how much weight does it have. So from about 25 kg of milk, we just get approximately 1.390, almost close to 104 gram, 1400 gram of makhan. So now we're putting it directly on heat and we're making ghee from it. So now finally our ghee is ready. So now let's see that how much of ghee did we get from 25 liter of desi cow milk. So as we can see that so as we can see now, the ghee that we have obtained from 25 kg of milk, it's close to 0.905. It's like 900, you can see on the meter. So yeah, the farmers are true who say that they obtain just 1 kg of ghee from the milk above 25 kg. Yes, they are true, because even though we are working from on this process from yesterday, and we are also clear with the figures that we have. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. Might this video is informative for you. For more videos like this that are more productive and informative for you, you can subscribe this channel and follow all our online portals. Thank you so much. See you soon again with this kind of another video. Thank you.